In today's video, I will walk you through how to connect Google Drive to Slack. In this tutorial, you will learn how to install Google Drive and complete the email verification process to connect Google Drive with your Slack workspace. Start by accessing Slack using either the app or your web browser. Once you are inside Slack, look at the left side control panel and click on More. From the More menu, click on Tools. Inside the Tools section, click on Apps. You will then be redirected to a page that shows recommended apps for Slack. On the Apps page, look through the recommended list and select Google Drive. If it does not appear in the list, use the search bar and type Google Drive to locate it manually. Once you find it, click Install to begin the setup process. After selecting Install, a new page will pop up, then click Add to Slack, then Allow to grant the required permissions. Slack will then proceed with the connection process. After this, you will be asked to verify your email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the email verification process. Once verified, click Continue to move forward. In some cases, you may be prompted to verify your email again, so repeat the same verification step if it appears. After verification is complete, you will be redirected to a page showing your installed apps inside Slack. Here, you can confirm that Google Drive has been successfully added to your workspace. The Installed Apps page will display all connected applications, including Google Drive. At this point, the setup is complete and Google Drive is now connected to Slack. And that is how you connect Google Drive to Slack.